You're probably used to the idea of a digital wallet, a convenient place to store your cards and make payments with a tap of your phone. But what if your digital wallet could do more than just facilitate spending? What if it could actually help you earn money? Sounds like a game changer, right? Because it is. We're living in an era where technology is constantly blurring the lines between traditional financial services and innovative new opportunities. And right at the forefront of this revolution is Beam Wallet, transforming how we interact with our money and opening up exciting avenues for earning. Forget just managing your expenses, we're talking about a platform that integrates earning potential directly into your everyday transactions and beyond. So, if you're ready to unlock the earning power of your digital wallet, stick around. We're about to dive deep into how Beam Wallet isn't just a payment tool, but a smart financial companion designed to put more money in your pocket. Beam Wallet isn't your average mobile payment app. While it excels at secure and convenient transactions, its true innovation lies in its integrated earning mechanisms. One of the most straightforward ways to earn with Beam Wallet is through its generous cashback rewards. Imagine getting money back on virtually every purchase you make, whether online or in a physical store. Beam Wallet partners with a wide range of retailers, offering instant cashback that goes directly into your wallet. This isn't some convoluted points system, it's real money, ready to be spent or saved. The more you use Beam Wallet for your daily shopping, the more those cashback rewards accumulate, turning your regular spending into a passive income stream. Beyond everyday transactions, Beam Wallet also taps into the power of the Beam token. This isn't just some abstract digital asset, it's the heart of the Beam ecosystem, designed to appreciate in value as the platform grows. By holding Beam tokens, you can potentially benefit from their price appreciation. Furthermore, Beam Wallet often introduces innovative staking opportunities. Staking involves holding your tokens in the wallet to support the network's operations, and in return, you earn more tokens as rewards. This is a fantastic way to generate passive income from your existing holdings, essentially letting your money work for you. Think of it as earning interest, but with the potential for higher returns tied to the growth and success of the Beam network. Another exciting aspect is the potential for participation in airdrops. As the Beam ecosystem expands, new projects and initiatives often distribute free tokens or rewards to active Beam Wallet users. This is a direct benefit of being part of the community and can result in unexpected financial gains. These airdrops can be a pleasant surprise, adding to your overall earnings without any direct effort on your part beyond simply using the wallet. For those with an entrepreneurial spirit, Beam Wallet also offers opportunities for local partnerships and business integration. If you own a business, integrating Beam Wallet as a payment method can not only streamline your transactions but also open doors to unique marketing and loyalty programs. Businesses using Beam Wallet can engage directly with customers, offer tailored rewards, and potentially reduce payment processing fees, all of which can contribute to increased profitability. By becoming a local partner, you're not just facilitating payments, you're becoming a part of a growing network that benefits from the platform's expanding user base. The beauty of Beam Wallet lies in its user-friendly interface and robust security features. It simplifies complex blockchain technology, making it accessible even for those new to the world of digital assets. With features like biometric authentication and secure encryption, your funds are protected, giving you peace of mind as you explore the various earning avenues. It's about more than just transactions, it's about a comprehensive financial experience where convenience, security, and earning potential converge. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.